signal was broadcast to test the public warning system. The test is normally conducted between 10 a.m. and noon each Wednesday, weather permitting. The signal was also used to test the activation and emergency readiness of the Skywire network of radio operators. Forecast for Imperial County Southwest. Today, partly sunny in the morning, then becoming sunny. Windy. Highs 97 to 102. Southwest wind 15 to 25 miles an hour. Gusts up to 35 miles an hour. Tonight, clear and windy. Patchy blowing gust in the evening. Low 66 to 76. Southwest wind 20 to 30 miles an hour. Gusts up to 45 miles an hour. Thursday, sunny and breezy. Highs 97 to 102. Southwest wind 15 to 25 miles an hour. Thursday night, clear and windy. Low 65 to 75. West winds 20 to 30 miles an hour. Gusts up to 40 miles an hour. Friday, sunny and windy. Highs 99 to 104. Southwest wind 15 to 25 miles an hour. Gusts up to 30 miles an hour. In the morning, increasing to 35 miles.
But yeah, that was today's test. First test with these two new radios. So in today's test, these three weather radios activated for the test. These three radios also activated, and also the Kaito activated for the test. These three radios activated for the test. The Zone Guard Plus activated for the test. Both of these, the FR800 and the Zone Guard, went off for unrecognized message. And of course it's a 6-hour. This one went off for a weekly test. This one went off for the test. This one also activated for the test. For some reason, this did not activate for the test. And I'm not too sure about the Kobe over there either. But yeah, I'm not too sure if I was even able to hear the sirens of the Kaito and the Jensen over there. Please give me a comment if you did hear the sirens. But anyways, that concludes today's test. And also, once again, Merry Christmas from the Zone Cards. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more content. That's it.